This video is to support today's learn objective, which is dividing 3-digit numbers by 1 digit. And this should be a revision of the strategy and using the formal bus stop method. Okay. All I want you to think about is when we are dividing by any number, we're seeing how many groups of that number that we can get out of the original. So for example, on the board, you can see 429 divided by 3. So how many lots of 3 can I get out of 29? Now, some of them will be able to get out exactly. Some will leave remainders. And I will also show you later on in the week how we can represent those remainders. Okay, so I wanted to write it out like this because I wanted to show you how you're going to set it out as a bus stop method. So we would write 429. And then we put our bus stop round it. Apologies, I've not got a ruler, but I'm sure you can do a better job than me. And we put the 3 in front. So what we say is, we're saying how many groups of 3 can I fit out of 4? And if you wanted to see it visually, if we put 4 down here, how many groups of 3 could I get out of that 4? And actually, I could get out one whole group. So we put one whole group up there. Now, out of that whole group, look, I've got 1 left over. So what we do with that 1 is we carry it over to the next number. Now it becomes 12. So now I say, how many groups of 3 can I get out of that 12? And again, times tables are important. Count upon your 3s until you get to 12. See how close you can get. Can you get spot on? So I know, because I know my 3s, that 3 4s are 12, so I haven't got anything left over there. So how many groups of 3 can I get out of 12? 4, so I pop my 4 above there. Last one, I look at how many groups I can get out of 9. And again, I know my 3 times table, and I know I can get 3 exact groups out of 9. So my answer is 143. Okay, so that's the first one, hopefully you've got that one right. So I'm going to go through the first few on Google Classrooms for today, just so you can see the strategy and listen to my explanation, because you might not have done much practice on division, so it's important to remember the strategies and skills. So again, this time you think about how we would set this out. So we put 560 into our bus stop. We'll put our bus stop round it. And then we put 4 at the beginning. So now we're looking at our 4 times table. If you wanted to have your 4 times table out in front of you, then that can help. How many groups of 4, and again, if it helps you to draw them, how many groups of 4 can I get out of 5? I can get 1 full group, can't I? So I can get 1 full group, and I've got 1 left over. So I carry that 1 over to there. Now it becomes, how many groups can I get out of 16? And I think about my 4 times table, and I know that I can get spot on because I know 4 times 4 is 16. So we put 4 just up there. And then how many groups can I fit into 0? Well, I can't fit any groups into 0. So that becomes a 0 there. So our answer is 140. And hopefully you can give that a tick. Right, you might feel more confident now on the third one. So this time I'd like you to write the calculation down, but I'd like you to see if you can have a go at this one independently. So let's write it in again like we did before. 615, put our bus stop round it, and then put our 5 at the beginning. Okay, pause the video. See what you can do independently. If you get stuck, just press play. But if you can get to the whole end of the calculation, then try that as well. Off you go. Right, hopefully you've been a bit brave. So if I wanted to see how many groups of 5 I could get out of 6, how close can I get? Well, I know I can get 1 group out. I can get 1 group out, and I'll have 1 left over, and we carry that 1 over to there like that. Now I'm looking at how many groups of 5 I can get out of 11. So I'm using my 5 times table. How close can I get? I can't go over, but how close? Well, I know that 10 is the closest I can get, which is 5 lots 2 and 5 times 2. So it fits into 11 twice, but I've got 1 left over. So 5 fits into 11 twice with 1 left over, and I carry that 1 over there. Now I'm looking at how many groups of 5 I can get out of 15. And again, using my 5 times table, I know I can get 3 exact groups and I haven't got anything left over. So our answer would be 123. Okay. Right, last one for the YouTube video. Again, hopefully you're feeling more confident now at revising that strategy. And again, we're looking at putting this into our calculation. So 764 down there, draw our bus stop round it. We're back to our 4 times table now. So that's what we need to have in front of us, or at least make sure we're thinking of. And we're looking at how many groups of 4 I can get out of 7. So how close can I get to 7? Well, if I put 7 down here, again, just to help us, just in case we wanted to visually see it, and we get 1 group of 4 out, I can't get 2 full groups because that would be 8. So I've got 1 full group of 4 and I've got 1, 2, 3 left over. So I'll put my 3 and carry my 3, those 3 over to the next part. So now we're looking at how many groups of 4 I can fit into 36. So again, 4 times table, can I get spot on? How close can I get? I can't go over. So I know, because I know my 4s, 9 groups of 4 fit into 36. Okay, so I've got that spot on. I haven't got anything left over to carry over. So now our last one is how many groups of 4 I can fit into 4, which is just 1 group, isn't it? If I got 4 there, I can get 1 group of 4 out of those 4. So my answer is 191. And these haven't got any remainders at the moment. Okay, so today's objective is to have a practice at those, at that method, and to try and do as many as you can. You can go back and re-watch this video and take it steady, step by step, so you can see that strategy. Okay, and good luck.